Tired of cookie-cutter dashboards? Let's dive into how you can completely personalize your Retell AI interface. First, let's get oriented. When you log into Retell AI, you land on your dashboard. Here you'll find a list of your projects. Each project is a separate AI-powered interaction you can customize. This is your command center. Now, the real fun begins. To kick things off, find a project tile and click the Customize button. This will take you inside a particular project to start configuring it. Inside the project, you can see numerous features. You can edit your AI's personality and voice by uploading details about your ideal AI. You can also adjust the flow of the conversation by uploading your own scripts. Each feature allows you to control elements of your project. Want to keep tabs on your projects? Click on the project tile's status icon. This provides crucial data. You can monitor the project's progress and any issues. Within your project settings, you can select and configure even more options. These options offer tailored customizations. Once set, your AI-driven interactions will work flawlessly. By mastering these simple customizations, you're not just using AI. You're crafting truly unique experiences with your projects. Go build your perfect dashboard. You've learned how to customize your Retell AI dashboard. Now it's time to begin creating. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips.